What's up, Flomies? My name is Ellie, and today we are going to learn how to do double hand wraps. Now let's get started. Prerequisite you're going to want to know for this trick are hand wraps on both sides. There's a couple different variations of hand wraps. I personally like to grab up into the middle of my star. I feel like I have more control when I do my hand wraps that way. But if you do your hand wraps with less of the fabric bunched up in your hand, this will work. You're just going to have to go at a slower tempo than what I do. So with hand wraps, there's a few different variations you can do. You can do same time, coming up and down in the middle or the center line of your body at the same time. You can do split time, and you can also move your star around. So for example, I'm going to start with both my stars going at the same time, moving up and down at the same time. However, I'm going to be alternating my hands from top to bottom to center, top to bottom, which looks like this. You can also move your stars in the opposite direction, moving along that same pattern. So to get a bit of a different effect. You can also move them just across your body. Have fun with this trick, play around, find new patterns, and good luck. That's all for today. If you liked this video and you found it helpful, go ahead and give it a like. And if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments below.